Ciao!
Alrighty, so I'm here today with Jen, and we are going to together take her wheel off as if she had a flat tire. So here we go with the tools that are made from the car. Woohoo! Okay, so which way does the jack go? Let's find this the most stable way.
This way?
Flip it over.
Over?
There you go.
Okay. So it can go right here.
And then what we're looking for is a pinch well, okay?
A pinch well.
So that's this thing.
Okay.
Do you see that?
Yes.
See how it's like made for this? And then you're gonna put that right in this slot. Now once you can't turn it with your hands anymore, you're gonna grab the hooky thing. Okay, so we're gonna put the hooky thingy through the end. And then we make that into a 90-degree angle. So make the handle into a 90-degree angle and then turn it into a handle. There you go. So this stays straight. Oops. And then that turns. So watch your knuckles. You don't get your knuckles on the ground. There you go. We're creating leverage. Now before you go any farther, we actually need to break the nuts loose because we need to use the tension of the car being on the ground to loosen the nuts. As a lady mechanic, the best way to break these nuts loose is to stand on the end of the lug nut wrench. We're off the ground. We're going to take the lug nuts the rest of the way off.
And then you're taking the tire off?
Yep, you're just going to lift the whole thing. If it doesn't come easily, then you can kick it. So kick the top of it. There you go. That was easy.
Yeah, right?
The reason you do that is because it's there's the rust buildup between the wheel and the hub. So just set it down on its back, not its face. There you go. Perfect. You want to pick one hole to line up with one lug stud. If you need extra leverage, you can use your toe. Perfect.
Don't squish your hands.
Yeah, don't squish your hands. Then I like to hold my knees against the edges while you put these guys back on.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're going to tighten these pretty much finger tight with this tool in a star pattern. A star pattern means you go across from each other. Okay, then go around one more time and do that, and then we'll set it down and use the friction of the tire on the ground to torque it. One more.
One more?
Count to 5 when you do that.
Oh.
There you go, perfect. Yeah, hold that bar at a straight position, and then, yes. And now that there's tension on the wheel, but we're not all the way on the ground, we're gonna tighten it all the way down, okay? So go ahead and stop there. Now the way to torque these is really to put your body weight in them because you had to use your body weight to get them off, okay? So come on this side and use your right hand and really put your body into it. Yep, like that. Perfect. And then go across from it. These lug nuts need to be torqued to 76 foot-pounds. Give yourself better leverage. There you go. 3. Yep. 4. Yeah. And 5. Give me a dirty high five, Jen.
Sweet.
Cool, let's lower that all the way down.
Okay.
Awesome, you're back on the road. We didn't have to wait an hour for AAA. Okay, Jen, what did we learn today?
So I definitely learned how to take off my tires since I actually never took it off whatsoever. I had tools in my car that were super useful, as you saw in the video.
So you had a spare tire kit.
Yes, indeed. With all the tools needed just to lift my tire up, take it off, and check my brake pad, see what's going on in there, see if anything's broken, loose. And honestly, my little squeak that I was kind of nervous about was just a little bit of brake dust, as Talena has helped out here to discover.
So one thing that we learned today was we absolutely need to put our emergency brake on whenever you're jacking your car up so that it doesn't accidentally roll backwards.
Indeed. And if you could do it on a flat surface, that's probably your best bet, so you're not actually rolling anywhere.
Awesome. Great work today, Jen.
Awesome. Thank you so much.